Today, we'll see how your Android phone tracks and listens to you, and we'll show you some important settings that can help to stop anyone from spying on you. So, first of all, let's navigate and open the Settings app on your phone. Once the app opens on the screen, scroll down to the bottom to find Google. Once you find it, tap on it to open. From this page, select the All Services tab. Here, scroll down a bit to reach the Privacy and Security section. This is where we will make some changes to avoid tracking on our phone. First, tap on Personalized using shared data. This option allows Google to use your activity from different Google services like YouTube, Search, Maps, Chrome, and the Play Store to understand your interests. This setting listens to your microphone and tracks what you search, what you watch, and how you use Google Apps. When I turn all these options off, including apps and other on-device sources, Google stops using my shared activity to personalize ads. After this, let's go back to the Privacy and Security section again. This time, open the Usage and Diagnostics option. This option sends technical data to Google, such as app crashes, battery usage, system errors, and performance information. I turn this option off to stop sending diagnostic data to Google and improve privacy. Now, once again, go back to the Privacy and Security section. This time, open the very first option, which is Ads. Here, I reset my advertising ID. Apps don't know your name, but they recognize this ID and link your activity to it. This is one of the real tracking sources on your phone. So, when I reset the advertising ID, apps can no longer use old activity to show ads. A new ID is created which breaks the tracking history. Now, let me show you some more settings that actually help reduce personal data tracking on your Android phone. Go back to the main settings menu. Here, find and open Privacy Settings. On this page, open the Permission Manager. This section is very important. Check the permissions you allow to third-party apps, as they can be used to spy on your phone. For example, open the Location Permission page. Here you will find a list of apps that are tracking your location. A calculator app doesn't need location access, so open that app and select Don't Allow to Disable Location Access. In this way, find apps that don't need location permission and disable it for all of them. Back in the Permission Manager, also check Microphone Permissions. Find apps that don't need microphone access and select Don't Allow to Disable it. In the same way, you can also check Camera, Contacts, and Files permissions. You will see many apps that don't really need these permissions but still have access. Now, one more very important thing. Avoid installing unnecessary apps, especially free apps that show too many ads. Free apps often earn money by collecting user data. Always download apps from trusted developers and read permission details before installing. And that's it. This is how you can stop anyone to spy and track your phone.